Google just did something most people thought was at least a couple years away. You can now build a real native Android app by typing what you want in plain English. That's it. You describe your idea, Google AI Studio builds the app in front of you. No coding, no software to install, no setup. You open your browser, you type a few sentences, and a working app appears. Google says this shrinks a process that used to take weeks of setup and learning down to literal minutes. And here's the wildest part. You can install it on your real phone the same day. Stick around because the people who figure this out first are about to have a serious head start on everyone else. Let me back up and explain what this actually is. Google AI Studio is a free tool you open in your browser. You log in with a regular Google account, you type prompts, and as of Google I/O 2026, there's a brand new mode inside it called Build Mode. You head to the Build tab, you pick Android, and you start typing what you want your app to do. Then it builds it in front of you in real time. The whole thing happens in your browser tab. And these aren't fake apps. They're not little web pages dressed up to look like apps. They're real, fully native Android apps built with Kotlin and Jetpack Compose, the exact same programming language and toolkit that professional Android developers use to build apps that ship on the Play Store. They support GPS, Bluetooth, NFC, camera, the accelerometer, hardware sensors, offline functionality, the whole thing. This is the real deal. Now let me show you the before and after, because this is what makes this update so significant. Before this update, building a phone app meant you needed a powerful computer. You needed to install heavy software like Android Studio. You needed to learn a programming language. You needed to set up SDKs, libraries, and development tools that most people have never even heard of. Google itself admits that native Android development used to be intimidating and resource-heavy, so most people who had a great app idea just gave up before they ever even tried. Now, you open a browser tab, you type, you watch it build. That's the entire workflow. And I keep thinking about who this actually helps, because it's not just developers, it's everybody else. The business owner who's had an app idea sitting in their head for 5 years, but never had the budget. The teacher who wanted a simple tool for their classroom. The fitness coach who wanted a custom tracker for their clients. The person with a side project that never made it past the napkin stage. The hard wall just came down. Let me walk you through some real things you could actually build with this. I'm going to keep these simple because the whole point is showing you how achievable this is now. Workflow 1. A lead capture app for your phone. This is a little tool you keep on your phone for grabbing new contacts on the spot, like when you meet someone at a networking event or a conference. The prompt you type is something like, build an Android app for capturing leads at events. One screen with name, email, and what business they run. A drop-down to mark how interested they are. A save button that keeps a list I can scroll through later. Make it fast and simple to use with one hand. A few minutes later, you've got a working lead catching app you can pull out anywhere. Workflow 2. A daily habit tracker for yourself. The prompt, build a simple Android habit tracker. Let me add up to 5 daily habits. Show checkboxes for each day of the week. Save my progress locally so it doesn't get lost. Use a clean, dark theme. What you get is a personalized habit tracker that actually fits how you work, not some generic app from the store covered in subscriptions and ads. Workflow 3. A content planner for creators. The prompt. Build an Android app that plans a week of social media posts. Let me add a post idea for each day, mark which platform it's for, and check it off when it's posted. Show the whole week on one screen. A clean weekly planner that keeps your content organized in one place without juggling 10 browser tabs. Workflow 4. A simple welcome app for new customers or clients. The prompt. Build a welcome app for new clients. Show a short hello message, 3 first steps to take, and a button to book their first call. Keep it warm and easy to follow. A friendly onboarding experience your clients can install on their phone the moment they sign up. These are just starting points. The real power is that you can build whatever specific tool your life or business actually needs, instead of trying to bend a generic app to fit. Now let me show you how testing works, because honestly this part feels like magic. Google built a full Android phone emulator directly into your browser. So the second your app is generated, you can tap it, swipe it, type into it, and try it out right there in the browser tab. No phone needed, no external simulator, it just runs. And if you want it on your actual phone, you plug your Android device into your computer with a USB cable, click one button, and the app installs straight onto your phone using something called the Android Debug Bridge. Sounds technical, but for you, it's literally one click. The app shows up on your phone like any other app, and you can use it instantly. There's even more. If you've got a Google Play developer account, you can publish your app directly to Google Play's internal test track with a single click. That means you can share your app with a small group of people, your team, your friends, your beta users, to try it out before going public, all without leaving AI Studio. Here's one more upgrade that's a big deal. Google AI Studio now connects directly to Google Workspace from inside the apps you build. So you can build dashboards on top of your Sheets data, create tools that organize files in your Drive, spin up apps that work with documents and data your team already uses. One important caveat though, and this is something the hype videos are skipping. The Workspace integration, Sheets, Drive, Gmail, all of it, currently only works for web apps built in AI Studio, not the native Android apps. Native Android apps in AI Studio are client-side only right now. So if your dream is to build an Android app that writes to a Google Sheet, you'll have to wait. But if you build it as a web app instead, that integration works today. So who is this really for? Honestly, almost everyone who's ever thought, I wish there was an app that did this exact thing for me. Business owners building internal tools, creators making custom planners, hobbyists exploring side projects, students prototyping ideas, teachers building classroom tools. Anyone who used to look at app development and think, that's not for me, that wall is gone. And if you're already a developer, this is your prototyping superpower. What used to take a week of scaffolding before you even wrote a single feature now takes 10 minutes. You can ship 5 experiments in the time it used to take to ship one. So here's the takeaway. Google AI Studio can now build real native Android apps from plain English prompts. They're built with Kotlin and Jetpack Compose, support hardware sensors, run in a browser-based emulator, and install on your real phone with a single USB connection. The internal test track integration lets you share with testers in one click, and it's all free to try at ai.dev. The wall came down. App building isn't locked behind code anymore. It's open to anyone who can clearly describe a good idea. The only question left is whether you start learning this now while it's still early, or wait until everyone else figures it out. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe so you don't miss the next AI tool breakdown, and drop a comment telling me, what's the first app you're going to build? I read every single one. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll catch you in the next one.